What's up guys, it's Flash with tradingwithflash.com. Welcome to another episode on top stock YouTubers to follow and my review on their YouTube. Today's episode is Ricky Gutierrez making $100,000. Characters I met along the way that stepped in and are a big part of my story. There, so stay tuned. Welcome back guys, this is another episode of top YouTubers who to follow, and this is my 100% honest opinion on a review. Today we're reviewing Ricky Gutierrez's YouTube channel. So I've been following Ricky Gutierrez since he had about 50,000 people on YouTube. I'm blown away on how fast his channel has grown. He has outpassed 300,000 subscribers on YouTube, which is absolutely crazy. He's passed out the Warrior, Tim Sykes, all those big people, and it seemed to happen overnight, which is kind of like, it's crazy to believe how fast he's grown. And I think there's reason to it. I think he deserves credit for what he's doing. He does upload like twice a day. His videos are live on YouTube. He updates his profits and his losses, and he is quite open with his portfolio. So I think I have to respect that about him, and I think that's why a lot of people are following him, is he's very transparent with his portfolio. He is one of the most consistent traders I do watch. I know he likes to aim for about 3,000 or 4,000 per week, and he openly speaks that that's what his target is. And he is definitely one of the most consistent traders out there, without a doubt. Regardless, he mightn't be the biggest compared to the Warriors gains or anything like that, but his trading is a lot more consistent, I find. If you're following Ricky, he obviously is more of a swing trader, in my opinion. He doesn't trade momentum stocks. So if you're looking for advice on momentum stocks, he's not the YouTuber for you. But if you are a beginner and you're looking for someone to kind of find who is consistent and follows good trading patterns and sticks to it consistently, then he's definitely the trader for you. I find he will add a lot of value to your trading journey, and you will definitely learn a lot from him. As I said, he does go live a lot on YouTube, and he is very helpful in terms of his breakdowns. You can ask some questions. He does encourage this for beginners, and he will go through it and break down stocks that you're looking for as well. So I think this is great for beginners. If you are looking for someone to follow, I would recommend having a look at Ricky Gutierrez's YouTube channel. You will find a lot of value in there. And guys, not only is he great on YouTube, he does have a free app, a Discord app. It is TechBud Solutions, and if you are part of his Learn Plan Profit course, he does offer a Learn Plan Profit private group that once you buy the course, you have a lifetime access to not only the course, but to also this great chat room, which is by far one of the fastest growing chat rooms I've recently come across. He does go live each morning on the live Discord private group, which he break down his trades. You see him live, and he'll break down some of your callouts, what you're looking for. So if you are thinking of taking the course, there is a link in the description below, and there is a discount for you guys, especially if you are interested in taking the Learn Plan Profit course. But guys, that was the overall review on Ricky's YouTube. I would definitely recommend following him if you're a beginner. Even if you're not a beginner, I'll definitely think you would learn something from his style of trading. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to click like and subscribe and press that bell notification. Once again guys, I want to thank you for your support, and God bless. So guys, I hope you enjoyed another episode on what top stock YouTubers to follow on my 100% honest review. That video was obviously Ricky Gutierrez. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to click like and subscribe, and God bless.